Right now I'm updating Linux CentOS. Earlier I installed the GNOME desktop. Please correct me if I pronounced that wrong. Right now we are running off of this 2.5-inch 70 gigabit laptop drive I got on eBay for about $8. Right now the server is running 2 Xeon X5650 6-core processors with hyper-threading, so that's giving us 24 logical cores, and I've got 24 gigs of ECC RAM installed. And as you can see down here, I had to put an extra fan on the South Bridge chip because it kept overheating, because after looking through documentation, this Supermicro X8 EPU-F used to be in either a 1U or a 2U chassis, which had those really obnoxious, loud blower fans pushing air through it. Right now it's in an iStar USA, hardly recognizable, after modding it to be 32 or 33 inches long. I had to use this aluminum angle bar. I'm also running 3 500-watt 1U power supplies. Actually 2 are running right now, but I have the third ready to rock and roll. Otherwise I have a NVIDIA GTX 770. It's inactive right now because I'm working out the power draw for it. And I have the FirePro V5800. That is active right now. I'll be running some tests on it once I get Linux to boot up with the graphic desktop. So yeah, that is where we are at so far. And it looks like we still have a fair bit of time before CentOS finishes its update.